God, dude!
As the owner of a construction company, finding the right people.
It's an essential part of the show. Bobo was up first. He did a sample read for Legal Zoom. It was, well, you decide if it was good or bad.
All right, Legal Zoom, Robin. To be
That was crazy!
driving like a jerk, man.
Leaving them by themselves for you and Chris.
Are y'all out of your mind? The idiot in the red car
Just
stopped
stopped
to let them go.
Over time, equity buildup. Renters pay down their mortgage each month. And finally,
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Say video.
And as Dean has been doing for years, your sanitized
Okay, Garmin. Say video.
home or office with constant building up these smart accounts. I'll be right back. There's a lot of talk around mortgage rates lately, but it's important to know that when rates get cut, it can have a big impact on your mortgage. How?
There's only nothing in pumping, let's see how it's jumping when we up in public. Don't bring us up on me, cause then I'll start dumping, the blood will start gushing.
I've got you on Dashcam. We could just call the police.
Whoa! Oh! Holy shit!
pudieras meter con...
Bueno, si me mandan el... Ira, espérame, ma. Estoy a punto. Déjame hablar el 911, Marta, le hablo. Bye. Hey, license plate 8, N as in New York, Y as in Yankee, D as in David, 661. Inside the Old Navy right here in Sports Arena, there's a female on top of the hood. It's going to be a Nissan Rogue, and the driver keeps driving. Here, let me cut. Hold on.
What color is the Nissan Rogue?
It's going to be a black one.
Okay, and do you know why she's on top of the hood?
I don't know why, but I just blocked him in. A couple drivers just blocked him in.
Okay, what's the...
Hold on.
Hai chiếc xe này gì đậu rất là nguy hiểm vô cùng. Đó, đụng rồi đó. Thấy chưa? Đó, xe đậu đó. Xe ngừng lại. Rồi. Xe thắng không kịp, đụng xe này rồi. Wow, ghê quá. Nó dọn qua đây hết rồi.